Just a minute.
I just need to get your laundry.
Go down. Yeah, just 1 second, Mom. Hold on. Yep, come in.
Hi, honey.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, and by the way, don't forget, we're going out on Saturday to celebrate your big news.
We don't have to, Mom.
Of course we do. Oh, and I invited the Evanses. Do me a favor. Be sweet to Elle. She kind of has a crush on you.
Really? I had no idea.
Of course she didn't. Boys never do.
Shut up. Elle has a crush on you.